Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is the network of a fiber forming the eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell and the archaeas. These fiber in the eukaryotic cells contain a complex mass of a protein filament and motor proteins that help in cell movement. Like some prokaryotes, for example bacteria have the flagella. Even some lower group of organism like algae also contain flagella, and flagella help in locomotion. Behind this locomotor movement there is the cytoskeleton or the fibers which are help the eukaryotes, prokaryotes and other archaeans for the movement, for the cell movement by the help of motor protein and protein filaments. Here is the display image: actin, microtubule, intermediate filament. These are the different structure of cytoskeleton which we are going to discuss in our next slide. So cytoskeleton provides shape and support to the cell, organizes the cell organelles and facilitate transport of molecules, cell division and cell signaling. Okay. So structure, if we considered about structure, structurally cytoskeleton elements are of three types, that is microfilament, microtubule and intermediate filament. The display image is microtubule. It is a hollow tube-like structure, round in shape. Diameter is about 24 nanometer. And these microtubule are basically made up of two types of a protein, that is, made up of a protein and called tubulin. The protein here in microtubule is tubulin, and the microtubule is made up of two types of tubulin protein, that is alpha tubulin and beta tubulin. Here in the display image, the yellow part or the yellow tubes are beta tubulin, and the reddish part is the beta tubulin. Microtubules are very dynamic structure which reveal that they can change quickly. They keep growing or screening steadily. It helps in transporting cellular materials and dividing chromosomes during cell division. Next part is microfilament. Microfilament is made up of a protein known as actin protein or actin filament. Microfilaments are thread-like protein fiber having diameter 3 to 6 nanometer. They are particularly found in muscle cells. They consist of a protein actin, as I said before, and as it is found in a muscle, it helps in contraction of muscle. Also, in addition, help in cellular movement and contraction. Next part is intermediate filament. As the heading is intermediate, it is intermediate in between microtubule and microfilament. First image is the intermediate filament. Here is the intermediate filament. These are the intermediate filament. It is about 10 nanometer in diameter and provide strength to the cell. They facilitate the formation of keratins and a neurofilament. The cytoskeleton is also made up of certain motor proteins, and the motor protein include kinesin, dynesin and myosin. These display image, first one is kinesin, myosin and dynein. So kinesin, these proteins move along the microtubules carrying the cellular component and pull the organelle along the cell membrane. Next is dynein. These pull the cell organelles towards the nucleus, and myosin interact with actin protein and are responsible for a muscle contraction. Myosin also perform cytokinesis, exocytosis and endocytosis as well. So here we finish with the three different part of cytoskeleton, that is microtubule, microfilament and intermediate filament. Last is the function of cytoskeleton. The important cytoskeleton functions are: first one is it provides shape and support to the cell, help in the formation of a vacuole, hold different cell organelles in place and assist in the cell signaling. So here we finish with cytoskeleton. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box.